Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Upwork profile for winning freelance contracts, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Upwork website and creating an account. Fill in your basic information, including your name, email address, and location. Choose a strong password that you can remember but is hard for others to guess. After you've registered, confirm your email address through the link sent to your inbox. Once logged in, navigate to your profile section to begin setting it up. Start with a professional profile photo that clearly shows your face. Your profile picture should be well lit and have a neutral background. Next, write a compelling title that reflects your skills and expertise. Use keywords relevant to your industry to make your profile more searchable. In the overview section, describe your skills, experience, and what makes you unique. Focus on how you can solve problems for potential clients. Be concise but informative, aim for 3 to 4 paragraphs. List your skills in the designated area, prioritizing the most relevant ones. Consider the skills employers in your field are frequently searching for. Proceed to outline your work history, including roles that highlight your capabilities. Be specific about your responsibilities and achievements in each role. Next, set your hourly rate or project-based pricing based on industry standards. Research what other freelancers in your niche are charging for similar skill sets. Include a portfolio section showcasing your previous work if applicable. Select high-quality samples that best represent your expertise. Make sure to write a brief description for each portfolio item to provide context. After completing these sections, review your profile for any grammatical errors. It's crucial that your profile is polished and professional. Once satisfied, submit your profile for review. Be prepared for Upwork to take a few hours to several days to approve your account. Once approved, start browsing job listings that match your skills. Apply to relevant contracts using customized proposals. Tailor each proposal to address the client's specific needs and objectives. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.